Jai Hind to all. Now, last video we discussed what is matrix and what are the different operations based on matrices. We discussed how to add two matrices, multiply, and division is not possible for matrix operation. Today we are discussing a new section of matrices is transpose. What is transpose of a matrix? What is transpose? Okay, suppose I take a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0 is a matrix. It's a 2 by 3 order matrix. 2 by 3 order matrix. Its transpose is denoted by a dash or a raised to t. That is simple for representing a transpose of a matrix. A dash or a raised to t is equal to, answer is 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 0. That is called transpose. That means interchanging rows and columns of a matrix is called transpose of a matrix. Interchanging rows and columns of a matrix is called transpose of a matrix. Here the matrix A equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0. Interchanges rows and column, we get A dash is equal to, or A dash T is equal to 1, 3. His column is written in the row form. Is 1, 3, 2, 2 and 1, 0. That is called transpose. It's a very simple portion. Okay, what is a transpose? Transpose means interchanging rows and columns of a matrix is called transpose. Okay, row and column interchange the process on transpose. Here, first of all, we discuss some properties based on transpose. Some properties. Our first property. If A and B are two properties of transpose of matrix. If capital A and capital B are two matrices. Our first property says that A plus or minus B, the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus or minus B transpose. Addition and subtraction combine the form here. A plus B, the whole transpose can be written as A transpose plus B transpose, and A minus B, the whole transpose is written as A transpose minus B transpose. Combined to form A plus or minus B, the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus or minus B transpose. That means two matrices add into transpose. Each matrix transpose is add same idea. A plus or minus B, the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus or minus B transpose. Okay. Now, the second property says that A into B, the whole transpose is equal to, that means product of two matrices. A into B, the whole transpose is equal to, answer is B transpose into A transpose. Not A transpose into B transpose, B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose and A transpose into B transpose are not equal because matrix multiplication is not commutative. That means AB is not equal to BA, and so we say that B transpose and A transpose is equal at A transpose and B transpose represent that our result is wrong. That is AB the whole transpose. Correct answer is AB the whole transpose is equal to, answer is B transpose into A transpose. This is the second property, and then third property is that K into A the whole transpose equal to, K into A the whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. Here K represents any scalar value, any constant value. K into A, that means matrix is constant and the transpose constant multiply the matrix transpose multiply the value equal item. That means Ka the whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. It's a very simple property. And our last property says that A transpose the whole transpose is equal to, A transpose the whole transpose is equal to, answer is A. Here matrix transpose in transpose again same matrix we get answer. A transpose the whole transpose equal to A. Okay. That's our properties are, if A and B are two matrices, then our first property says that A plus or minus B the whole transpose equal to A transpose plus or minus B transpose. A into B the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. It's not, it's a very important property. A B the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Then third property says that K into A the whole transpose equal to K into A transpose, and our last property says that A transpose the whole transpose equal to, answer is A. Okay. Now we discuss some problems regarding the topic properties of transpose of a matrix. This is also very important section. Here I consider two matrices. Suppose A is equal to 1 0 2 1 is a 2 by 2 matrix. B is equal to 1 1 3 2 is also another 2 by 2 matrix. Verify our first relation is A plus B the whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and second property A into B the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. The main properties A plus B the whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and second is A into B the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, here given A is equal to 1 0 2 1 and B is equal to 1 1 3 2. First of all, we find A transpose. You know A transpose means interchanging rows and column. That means 1 2 0 1. Then B transpose. What is B transpose here? 1 3 1 2. Okay. Here A B and A transpose and B transpose are given. Now we find our first verifying the first condition is A plus B the whole transpose. So first of all, you find A plus B. You already know how to add two matrices. Adding these two matrices, we get answer 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. Then 0 plus 1. Answer is 1. 2 plus 3. Answer is 5. And 1 plus 2 is answer is 3. That's all. That is A plus B. Now A plus B the whole transpose is equal to, now interchanging rows and column, we get answer 2 5 1 3. 2 5 1 3. Interchanging rows and column. Okay, we get A plus B the whole transpose. Now verify that A plus B the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose plus B transpose, that is A transpose plus B transpose equal to, what is A transpose here? 1 2 0 1 plus what is B transpose? 1 3 1 2, and adding these two matrices we get answer 1 plus 1 answer is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 2 is again we get answer 3. Here you know A plus B the whole transpose and A transpose plus B transpose are equal, and therefore our result is verified, that is A plus B the whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is the first property, A plus B the whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, now we verify our second property, AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, so first of all we find AB, that means product of A and B, that is 1 0 2 1 into 1 1 3 2 is equal to, you already know how to multiply the two matrices. You know, first row here matrix multiplication possible because the order of first matrix is 2 by 2 and order of second matrix is also 2 by 2. Here number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix are equal, and therefore the product of two matrices are possible. Then using matrix multiplication, the concept of using matrix multiplication, first row first column 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 3 is 0. Then first row second column 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 2 is again 0. First row second column. Then you select second row. Again, there is another column. There is no another column. So there is a multiplicator stop here. First row first column. First row second column. Then you select second row first column. Second row first column. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3. Then second row second column, that is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 is 2. Now add these matrices, the elements of this matrix, we get the answer 1 1 5 4. That's all. That is AB. Now AB the whole transpose is equal to, we get answer 1 5 1 4. That is AB the whole transpose, which is the left side of the property. Now we find the right side, B transpose into A transpose, B transpose into A transpose. You already know B transpose. What is B transpose here? 1 3 1 2 into, what is A transpose here? 1 2 0 1 is equal to, again using the concept of matrix multiplication, first row first column, that is 1 first into first, 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Then first row second column, 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Then second row first column, that is 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Then second row, second column, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, now adding this term, we get answer 1, 5, 1 and 4. That's all. That you know, A B the whole transpose and B transpose into A transpose are equal. But in this case, A transpose into B transpose into A B the whole transpose equal value. And therefore, we write, finally write A B the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, it's a very simple portion, also very important section. Because this model based on questions repeated. Okay, now we'll discuss one more question based on this property. Okay, now A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 0 to 1. Verify AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Verify AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay. Okay. First of all, you write A transpose. You know what is A transpose here? What is A transpose? Is column matrix 1, 2, 3. Because the given matrix is a row matrix and its transpose is column matrix. Now B transpose is equal to the row matrix 0 to 1 because the given matrix is a column matrix and its transpose is a row matrix. Okay, A B given A transpose and B transpose. Now first of all we find A into B, that is 1, 2, 3 into what is B here? 0 to 1. This is possible matrix multiplication. You can check here. Here the order, you know, 1 by 3. This order is 3 by 1. Number of columns and number of rows are equal because the order of first matrix is 1 by 3, second matrix order is 3 by 1. Here number of columns and number of rows are equal, and the product matrix, the resultant matrix order 1 by 1. Now multiplication of the first row, first column. That's all. There is no other column. So there is only one column to multiply the first row, first column. That is corresponding elements multiplier 1 into 0. Plus corresponding element 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 1 3 that is equal to, we get answer 7 is a clearly a 1 by 1 matrix. Okay, now we take this transpose, you know, A being a transpose again we get answer same because is a 1 by 1 order matrix. Now our right side part is B transpose into A transpose. You know what is B transpose is 0 to 1 into what is A transpose 1, 2, 3. Here also matrix multiplication is possible because this order is 1 by 3 and its order is 3 by 1. So the resultant matrix order is 1 by 1. Okay. Now we start the product of these two matrices. First row, first column. That's all. Corresponding elements multiplied here. That is 0 into 1 is 0 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 3 is 3 and therefore finally we get answer 7. You know, A B transpose and B transpose into A transpose are equal, and therefore we verified the result A B the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. These are very important section. The transpose portion are very important problems. A B the whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose based on questions. Okay. Now we discuss one more question based on the transpose of a matrix. Okay. Suppose you take A is equal to, consider 2 by 2 matrix cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Verify A transpose into A is equal to I. Our question is verify A transpose into A is equal to I. Okay. A transpose into A. You know what is the transpose of this matrix? Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into A. A means our given matrix. That is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. It's a clearly a 2 by 2 matrix. Second matrix also 2 by 2. So matrix multiplication is possible because number of columns of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix are equal. Now multiply these two matrices, we get answer. First row, first column, corresponding elements multiplier cos into cos square alpha minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is minus into minus plus plus sin square alpha. First row, second column, cos alpha into sin alpha into sin alpha, second into second minus sin alpha into cos alpha, second. First row, first column, first row, second column. Now the second row, first column, sine into cos, sine alpha into cos alpha. Second, minus here, plus into minus, cos alpha into sine alpha. Then last row, last column, sine into sine, sine square alpha, cos into cos, cos square alpha. That is equal to, you already know, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and therefore cos square alpha plus sine square alpha is 1. So these two terms are similar, so cancel is and 0. Here also cancel 0, and sine square plus alpha plus cos square alpha is already 1. That is 1 0 0 1 is identity matrix. We proved A transpose into A is equal to I. Okay, that's all. Now our next video we will discuss what is symmetric and what is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, bye.